Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Drivemodenjoy. Here with Anna. Blake is actually behind us. We are headed to a couple meets today. We actually wanted to get out today and just, meet with some different enthusiasts, see some different events. So first off this morning, we are headed to an RTR event. RTR is actually going to be here at Texas Speed Factory. And due to the fact that we've bought a lot of RTR stuff, we want to check out maybe what else they have available. Check out everything, especially their Broncos. Their Broncos are absolutely sick. Later tonight, we'll be heading to another meet, another JDM meet. So stay tuned, should be a lot of fun. Checking out some really cool cars. We have arrived. They're putting us in the Bronco section. That's sort of cool. All right, so this RTR two-door is so dope. Let me see. Yeah, this thing is sick. Look, your rock rails. What size tires? 37s? Yeah, this needs to happen. Yeah, this needs to happen.
Body lift? Or is that different Fox than mine?
Those are way different Foxes than yours. Right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Separate. But look at this, hon. We have some of these ready. We have the jack mount. We have the swing arm. We have the tire carrier.
Hey, okay. So since I don't have the bigger tires, I don't think I'm gonna have to relocate my third brake light yet, even though I do have them out.
Yeah.
I don't think they had to do that because it's so much taller.
I think you definitely need the over fenders.
You need the over fenders. That is the sickest thing ever. The over fenders make it, man. Look at the travel distance.
That's super cool. I dig it.
This Mustang is sick. Yeah, it's a Coyote motor. So yeah, this is pretty dope. Every panel is carbon fiber. This is so sick. Just Mustang body after Mustang body after Mustang body. All right, so this is an RTR Raptor. Bronco after Bronco after Bronco after Bronco after Bronco. And then of course you have the race chassis. All right, so at the RTR event, amazing vehicles. What do you think so far, Blake?
Yeah, it's cool. There's lots of cool vehicles. A ton of Broncos up here, and then there's a bunch of Mustangs. I think a lot of these cars are pretty heavily modified.
Yes, heavily modified for sure.
Yeah.
It looks like the Bronco might be going with them today. And if that's the case, Anna will have to get footage because me and Blake have other plans for today. But take a look at these vehicles, everyone. I mean, they're just everywhere and they look all so good. I don't see, so there is another white two-door, but it's not a wild track. So let's check out some vehicles. Check out this one, Blake. This is my cup of tea. 57 Designs wheels. King, yeah, 1552. We have Camberg upper control arms. We have King suspension. Yeah, this is the jam. This is a wild track. Yeah, I love it. On 37s.
Squatch badge.
Squatch bags is pretty dope, actually. On 30, so this is essentially what ours would look like with 37s, and I think it needs 37s.
It needs 37s.
It needs a suspension lift and 37s. I think that's the jam.
And like some like I hate to say it, but I'm a fanboy, so probably like some JDM wheels, like some of the TE 37Xs.
Yeah, oh yeah, gotta do it.
The off-road wheels.
That's a really cool livery on that one. Love the livery on that. Yeah, this should be interesting.
I think I saw a bunch of JDM cars over in the back parking lot.
Well, we will definitely get photos of that. I'm actually curious. Oh, it left already. There was a Everglades edition here.
Oh yeah, I saw
which
that.
was really cool. Let's check out this eruption green hood over here. This one looks super cool. Oh yeah, they took off those rings and redid the rings. That's pretty dope.
It's a good touch. It's definitely something we should look at doing.
I love the Baja Designs lights up top. I'm not gonna lie, that's sick. Oh, it's a two-door Badlands, two-door Badlands. That makes sense. Different tire carrier. You'll see the tire carrier we have soon enough, or we spoiled it in this video. Sweet, love it. So this is the very common holding Rotopacks. I don't know how that would do with the off-road. I mean, I guess it'd probably stay fine, but I'd rather have like a mounted solution, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like,
I actually really like the RTR jerry can box that mounts to the swing arm.
I agree, but super cool.
Also, you know.
All right.
Okay. So I talked to some people. They said that if I've been on K-Trail, I've already done stuff way more exciting and awesome than what they're probably going to do today, since most of these Broncos are street queens. And it'll be essentially like driving around in this parking lot. So it might not be the most interesting and fun experience for me based on what I showed them on our Instagram.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I don't think, after thinking about it, I'd rather spend the money on Bridgeport on a weekend when I'm with y'all and I know that you guys are going to push me to do stuff I'm afraid of.
Fair.
So that's what I'm going to do.
Okay, fair. Okay, Blake, this is one we need to look at.
Oh yeah, this one.
This Bronco has a fender delete. Has the overflares delete. And I
like it.
I kind of like it. It would put up mud like crazy.
But that's fun.
But that is fun. I kind of like the look. All right, we are going to the customer parking lot now to see some normal cars, quotation mark.
Yeah.
Just see what's here. Mustang Graveyard. Oh, okay.
Terminator.
That is a Terminator. So there's like a Z here. There's a Raptor. Ooh, okay. We got a Lexus over here. No, wait, Accord? Camry. Okay, Camry looks dope. That's our style. Okay, so we saw a couple cars that Camry was actually pretty sick. That's definitely a drift missile, no joke. But I will tell you, Blake, and I know I've said this to you off camera, I want one of these so bad. I think we could build one of these sick, honestly.
The problem with the Altezza IS300 platform is they're getting super expensive.
For a good one. They're either beat to crap or they're just way overpriced. But I love these cars. I want one so bad.
Is it a manual?
It's a good question.
Yeah.
Manual, so that's even rarer. All right, everyone, that's the RTR meet. We're gonna get some stuff done and head to another meet tonight. Is that the plan, Blake?
Yeah, it's 7. I think that one had like 250 or 260 people signed up for it, so there should be a lot of cars.
Sounds good. Wish I had my car available, but that you will see in another episode as well. This is a recurring trend with us. I guess we have to. No, I guess we don't have to show your car yet, right?
We will.
We will. We need to do a proper video for Blake's car. So we'll see you guys later tonight.
In audio. In audio.
Okay, we are at this new meet that we talked about earlier today, the JDM meet, and it is packed. We're actually trying to find just a spot to park, which is kind of intense. So hopefully we can find something here in a second or two. And it looks like we might have found something. Let's see. Yep, Blake found a spot. Nice. Blakey! That was a nightmare getting in here.
Way too many people here.
Once you guys see, we'll show you some of the cars. There's way too many people here. It's gonna be interesting to say the least. We have a super nice Supra Mark IV, right-hand drive. Love to see it. Another new Supra. This place is just packed with cars, like honestly, packed. And you can tell you're in Texas because it's like Mustang after Mustang after Mustang after Revy Mustang after F-250, Camaro, Mustang, Challenger. Oh, wow. There's a lot of people here, Blake.
I've never seen this.
I've never seen it like this.
Did you see the midnight purple Archer?
No, I haven't seen that yet. We'll have to see it. Which way? Should we go left or right?
This is the one I was talking about, Rob?
Yeah.
So this is an R33 GTR. It looks like it's midnight purple.
Yeah, it is midnight purple.
It'll be midnight purple 2. Is that the show police?
That might be the show police. All right, super cool Subi. Whoa. It's kind of a crazy livery. Type R. Oh, lots and lots of cars. Just all over the place. We'll check in with you once we see something really cool. Oh, Skyline is Sylvia. So we have an R32, and then we have an S14 Kooky. It's stock. It's stock with stock wheels? Okay, that's crazy. Stock interior. All right, we got the obligatory Subi versus Evo. For those of you who don't know, I actually used to own an Evo 8, so I actually kind of miss mine a lot. And it's really cool seeing Evo 8s out in the wild. I mean, sorry, this is an Evo 10, but I miss my Evo 8 a lot. Love it to death. It's actually in really nice shape. Yeah, it's not ruined by any means, so yeah, both the Evo and the Subi are in really nice shape. All right, so we walked around a little bit. I mean, there's not a whole bunch that's like super like relevant or just out of the norm. I will say this wide body Hawkeye. Yeah, Hawkeye. Yeah, that's a Hawkeye. No, Flyby. I like the wide body on this. Not even gonna lie. That's super cool. Yeah, I kind of like it. It's not bad.
The backside was closed off a little bit.
In audio. In audio. In audio. In audio.
So I have no idea how long this video is gonna be. It's kind of crazy out here, not even gonna lie, right, bro? Like,
There's a lot of cars. I think the online thing on the app said there's gonna be like 250 to 300 cars here,
yeah.
and I definitely believe it.
The downside is because it's at night, it's really hard to get filming of a lot of these vehicles, but honestly, some really cool ones. Some, you know how our car shows are. There are some stupid people here, like no offense, but man, the revving, the racing right outside, getting out, it's kind of unheard of, but I don't know.
This is what I came for.
That's who you came for?
This is what I came for. Diesel. Okay.
Okay.
I like E46s.
Okay, no joke, this E46 is actually really clean. Look at the carbon. Actually, I like it a lot. All right, so I saw this CRX earlier. Here, let me get a better view. Oh, this thing is so sweet. I've always wanted a CRX so bad. I'm a Honda boy at heart, and this just makes my day. So, Slow CRX 214, shout out to you. I love your CRX. It looks pretty clean for how old it is, and the interior looks in really good shape too. I know you guys can't see it, but dang, I want this thing bad.
So Rob loves everything Honda from like 1987 to like 2000. He loves Hondas, and this is a very clean, stockish looking Del Sol, so he's drooling.
I want it. Blake, I think we found the Honda section.
I think we found the right section.
In audio. In audio. In audio.
Super clean S2000s. Once again, I'm a Honda boy. I want them so bad. This one's on bags. This needs some work wheels. Needs some work wheels, and that would be clean. You know, like some people are really creative with their underglow nowadays. It's not just like slap it on anymore.
Looks good. This is like programmed to do a little dance and stuff. I like it.
Yeah, I'm all for it. All for it. Hey, we have the Shaggin' Wagon Civic.
Oh, we sure do. Let's check it out.
Let's go check it out. So, Civic Wagon, extremely, oh, Blake, look at the wheels.
Those BBS RS?
Those are BBS RSs.
Those are
These are super clean. Oh, I am all about this right now. Oh, Wago van. Oh, it's so cool with the bronze tint too. Yes, I am a fan. I am a super fan. BBS's. Ooh, well done, sir. Well done.
in audio. In audio.
Getting wild over here with the underglow.
I like the brace.
Oh yeah, it's got a
I am a fan of the brace.
got a bash bar with a jack point on it. Sick. Hashtag race car. Okay, so we've decided it's time to leave.
Yes.
Because we did not get to park our cars in the main show section, we didn't have anybody talking to us or asking about our cars like they normally would.
Yeah, normally actually when we have our two cars together, it's it's kind of a party.
So we're gonna go back to the cars and head out.
Actually, before we leave, there are a couple of cars that showed up where we parked. Let me show you. So we got new gen Supra, we got a Genesis, really clean Infiniti actually. This thing's pretty clean. I love the color. I know, of course I'd love the color. I love orange. Yeah, super cool. All right, so we have a yellow and a blue new gen Supra. I think if I had to pick a color, yeah, I'd go yellow.
Oh, this one's got the Street Hunter wing on it.
Oh, it does have the Street Hunter wing. Let's check it out. Let's see. You can hear those cars. It's crazy. Oh, people are crazy out here. Yeah, I do like the wing. For those of you who don't know, Blake used to own one of these new gen Supras.
I had a Mark V Supra, like intake, JB4. It had TE37 SL Sagas on it. They were like limited edition wheels. I sold it, made money on it, and bought the replacement for it that we'll talk about later.
I promise you guys, we keep teasing it. We've just been waiting on the weather to be good enough to where we can film for it. You guys will see that probably upcoming pretty soon. That looks to be almost all the cars here, guys. So we are going to get back home and then we'll outro this video.
In audio.
Alright, so we just ate dinner.
Good food. We always eat there. Well, I guess we don't always eat there. We need to eat there more often.
Yeah. It's called the Doghouse. It's like beer and sausage and meat, like street food, hamburger, hot dog, corn dog stuff. Super good. So thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and turn those notifications on.
We'll see you guys next time in the next episode of Drivemodenjoy. Bye, everyone.